Welcome to TotalCtrl. TotalCtrl has two simple interfaces: Web Admin for setup and analytics, and an app for day-to-day inventory operations. Using the Web Admin, you have two ways to add inventory: add items manually or upload using our template. The quickest way is to use our template. Just download, fill it out, and upload to TotalCtrl for easy data management. No more pen and paper. With our solution, it takes less than 5 minutes to digitize your inventory. Switch to the app to count items quickly. Choose the inventory or inventories you would like to count and click Start Stock Count. Search for an item, enter the quantity, and register it, all in a few clicks. Once you are done counting your items, click Finish Stock Count. An inventory count report has been automatically generated. Share the report directly from the app to your team or accountant for easy reporting.